Welcome, you guys. I am so excited to be launching our monthly coaching membership, the Thriving Thyroid Coaching Membership. So let's take a tour around. You guys can see you can upload your own little picture when you register. There's also a breakdown of meet our team, work with our team, and then coaching information as well. This is roughly how you're gonna use this membership site and how to get started. So first and foremost, this is all of the landing page. Once you log in, you're going to get access to our free Facebook community. This is where we will be hosting our community, right? Asking questions, gaining access to our thyroid coaches, our success coaches. So make sure to join that. This is our monthly membership content. I will show you that in a second. Our recipe database. This is also really important. You're going to have 2 ways to access these forms. So to keep ourselves organized and ahead of the game and not bogged down on the coaching calls every week, we have you fill out this form. Basically, you're going to state what your question is. And so we can just say, hey, Shannon, hey, Jessica, whatever your name is, this was your question. Let's dive in. And does that make sense? Do you need any help? That kind of thing. Okay. Then once a month, we have our hot seat coaching. You guys must apply 3 days in advance so that we can go through applicants and pick people who will be the best suited. We will do our best to rotate through people and give everybody an equal chance for this. And we will pull anywhere from 2 to 4 people, depending on the questions, for that as well. Now, this is really important, in my opinion, is to fill out a symptom assessment. Set a timer, set a reminder on your phone, on your calendar, whatever it may be, to track your symptoms. We're going to be going through and tracking all of these different things. You're going to be giving a total, right? If I put in 5 right here, this total number will adjust. Okay. So what you're going to do is just go in here, file, make a copy, save it to your Google Drive and fill it out. You won't be able to fill it out the way it is because it will change it for everybody. So it is locked. If you need help figuring out how to do that or whatever, let our team know. We will be more than happy to help you with that. Then we have additional free resources. This is the Mac Daddy. We will be adding resources to this as well. So if you need help with your hair or fatigue or thyroid panels or supplements or dining out or immunity or thyroid blockers, medications that block thyroid function, on and on and on, you guys, this is where you will find those types of resources. You can order functional testing. We give you a discounted rate because you are part of the membership. You can also schedule complimentary breakthrough calls with our team to look at working with us a little bit more one-on-one supplements. All of our coaching calls for the membership will be uploaded into this platform. You can watch the replays. And when this is built out a little bit more, you will be able, well, you can do it now, but you will be able to search additional things, headaches, and you will see this resource come up for you. Okay. So whatever it may be, you guys can search it. And when we talk about certain topics inside the membership, it will take you to those points or places in time with that information as well. Then you have access to our podcast. This is completely free. You can subscribe to us on Apple, iTunes, thrivingthyroid.com. I wanted to include this in the platform so that it will be easier for you to search specific topics. And then, of course, our free resource, our free group. So if you want to stay up to date with all of the Facebook Lives and everything that we are doing in real time, you can do that through that platform as well. So let's go back to the monthly resources and links. Let's take a look at this monthly membership. So you have a welcome video. And then once you click into here, we are taking deep dives into thyroid topics every single month. So for the month of March, in 2022, you can see that it's all about nutrition for your thyroid. You guys can watch videos. This is like a 30-minute video, 25-minute video. And then we've got a video training on water and thyroid, how to pick the best water formats, things like that. And then additional resources and guides for you in here to break this all down better. Okay. And you will also see, so when April comes, April will show up, May, June, July, all of that as this continues to be built out. Now let's head over to the recipe database. This is one of my favorite places because I find that I get super bored and need inspiration. So we have broken these down into categories: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts. You guys, look how delicious this food is. All you have to do is click on the link and it will take you directly to the recipe. We will give you additional notes and resources on how to use these pieces or these recipes, how to save them, how to store them. This is one of our group favorites right now, is this Thai red lentil and spinach curry. It is delicious. You guys can see it will stay in your refrigerator up to 3 days. And then the serving size. So you also can know and be in touch and in tune with what your body needs, right? Maybe you need a little bit more, maybe you need a little bit less for those serving sizes and additional topics and things, all the things, right? So we do our best to think of absolutely everything to make this as foolproof as possible for you guys. I think that is all. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or our support team, support@swellnessmom.com, and I'll see you on the next.